Hi, welcome to the Learn New channel. So, in this session, we are going to discuss about the Power BI history. So, as of now, we have discussed about what is Power BI, why Power BI, differences between Power BI and Tableau, and what is the BI, what is the visualization, all the things we discussed so far. So, in this session, we are discussing about the Power BI history. So, let's quickly jump into this history. So, previously, we can see. This application basically is originally uh, conceived by Terry Hers and Amir Nets. So those people who are working on SQL Server reporting services at the Microsoft. So and it's originally designed by Ron George in the in the year of 2010. So 2010 summary, and he designed this project, and he named it as a project called Present. So then, so Power BI was then after multiple investigations, multiple development, and there was released the first version of the Power BI desktop to the public. It is July 24th and 2015 basically. The first version of the Power BI desktop is available for the public on 24th of July 2015. So later on, same on 14th April 2015, so Microsoft announced that they had acquired a Canadian company, DataGen, with the complement of Power BI. So who already worked and who is participated from this particular company, they are acquired, and then they released this Power BI dashboard to the public on 24th of July 2015. So this is basically the history of Power BI. So you make sure that if anyone of interview ask that, so when the Power BI was released, so it's released on 24th July 2015. So many of the people are putting their experience into 7 years, 8 years on Power BI and 10 years on Power BI and all. Don't put behind this date basically, if we can say. So if you are having 7 years of Power BI experience, then this time you will be having the same. So when the time of this launching, that might you already know and you already there. So by releasing this July 24 2015, companies not involved to work on this Power BI. Later on they tested and they started working. So if any one of you want to get experience on this particular scenario, don't put long time. So it might be 4 years or 5 years, that should be enough basically on Power BI. So before this Power BI, Microsoft, so where we need to work on the, so as a Microsoft related reports, so we'll be having SQL Server reporting service. Other than that, we'll be having Excel. In Excel, we will be having, if you can see, Power Query, Power Pivot, Power View, and Power Map are available. So, so based out of these three, these all previously used to work on the Excel reporting. So using some macros, so creating some macros at the backend, and using this Power Query, Power Pivot. So Power Query is nothing but extraction data, and all Power Pivot it is nothing but some modelizations and some analysis panel overview, in the sense it's a visual perspective, so it is there. And power map, in the sense it's separate mappings are available across the globe, that you can choose the map and you can give and you can work accordingly. So previously Excel worked in Excel based on this Power Query used on the Excel backend Power Query. Microsoft designed as a Power BI desktop. So that's where Power BI came into the picture. So this is all about the Power BI history. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.